How to dance on Imvu. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your avatar dance on Imvu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Imvu app. And then once you're in the Imvu app, go to the store. Tap on the bottom right corner to go to store, then here tap on the search bar and search for dancing. Then here you will get many types of dance, so you will need to buy the dance. So after you have bought the dance, then you will need to go to a room. So let me go to a room. So once you're in a room, make sure that you are standing and not sitting. Then you have to tap on the smiley in the bottom left side here. Then here you will see this actions, and if you tap here you will see your different types of move you can do. So I have not bought any dances, so here I only have this blink and wave. So if I tap on wave, my avatar gonna wave, and here if I have this dance, so if I tap on this dance, and so this is how you can dance on Imvu. Thanks for watching.